Welcome everyone to my channel. So in this video, we are going to cover this topic on why does everything fall at the same time. So this is Sir Isaac Newton's formula. So F equals ma means force equals mass acceleration. Acceleration means an increase in speed or rate of an object or person. So let me further explain F equal ma. So if you compare a giant truck, you compare it to a little child sitting on a tricycle, you apply the same push to both objects. But with the same push, you can hardly move this truck at all because it's too big. But with the same push, the kids on the tricycle may fall too. So why is this? So why fall the same way? So you might think that heavier objects would fall faster instead. And it turns out that no, heavier objects should move more slowly because of this equation F equals ma. But heavier objects is being pulled more strongly because it's heavier. The dependence on the mass in both equations cancel out each other. So F, which is force, appears in both equations. So you get this third equation here. And when you get the third equation, you have two m's. You have two small m's inside, so you can cross them out. There's one in the ma, you can cross the ma out, the m in the ma, and you cross the other m, small m in the other equation out. So you get this. So this shows that so when they cancel out, it shows that the answer does not depend on the small m, which is the mass. So that's why that's why they fall the same way. But it does not sound very correct or convincing. So someone very famous named Albert Einstein thought about this. Albert Einstein did not quite believe in Isaac Newton's equation. Albert Einstein says the force of gravity is actually an illusion. Gravity is not a force, it is a nature of space and time. The Earth walks around the space, so it's not flat anymore, it sort of walks towards the center of the Earth. So you think you're going straight, but you actually curve, so you do not go straight anymore. So it does not depend on your mass. So this idea of space getting warped led to something very familiar to you, you should know, named the black hole. So a black hole is the object that is so heavy that it bends the space. It is the object that bends the space. It curves, bends, and warps the space so much that even light cannot escape. Nothing can come out. So that is why light cannot. This is why you will never see a black hole, because the light that travels towards the black hole that is trying to reach our telescope is trapped into the black hole. But somehow the scientists managed to capture this black hole in 2019. Anyway, there are many galaxies. There are many black holes in our galaxies. When the star explodes, it causes a supernova. It will then form into a much smaller size object, and if the star was heavy enough, it will form into a black hole. So that's the end of my presentation. Thank you. If you like this video, please leave a like or subscribe. Thank you.